In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Asana. If you're familiar with Asana, you know it's a versatile platform that helps teams manage their tasks efficiently. Today, I'm excited to walk you through creating and using forms within Asana, a tool that streamlines the way you gather information and manage your projects. Let's dive right in. First, what you'll need to do is head over to Asana's website. If you haven't already, make your way to the login page by opening your favorite web browser and entering the URL for Asana. Once you're there, look for the section where it asks for your email address. Go ahead and type it in. After entering your email, proceed by clicking on that big friendly continue button. Now that we're past that screen, it's time to enter your password. Take a moment to recall your Asana password, type it in, and then hit log in. And with that, you've gained access to the Asana homepage. Once you're on the homepage of Asana, navigate to the project you're working on. Any changes or forms you create will live within this specific project. This keeps everything neat and organized, ensuring the information is where you need it when you need it. Now, to get into the form creation part of things, while in your project, look for the button labeled Customize and give it a click. This is your starting point for tailoring your project's interface and functions, including form management. After you click Customize, find and select forms from the options presented. This is your gateway to creating forms in Asana. Hit the Add button to start building a new form. The first task here is to give your form a name. Think about what you want to accomplish with this form. A clear and descriptive name can save you time and confusion down the line. Once you've named your form, your next step is adding questions. Think about the information you need to collect and then add questions that will help gather that data. Asana makes this easy with drag and drop functionality. You can drag and drop new questions into your form. This flexibility allows you to rearrange questions freely, ensuring the flow of your form makes sense. Furthermore, you have the option to select the type of form you want. Whether it's short answers, multiple choice, or any other format, choose what best suits your needs. Asana really gives you the tools to collect the exact data required for your project. Finally, after setting everything up and checking that your form looks the way you want it, go ahead and click Publish. This action makes your form live and ready to be filled out by your team or anyone you invite. Plus, publishing is instant, so any changes you make take effect immediately. And there you have it. Now you know how to create and utilize forms in Asana. This process will help you gather detailed information quickly and effectively, contributing to more organized project management. Thanks for watching, and happy project planning with your new Asana forms.